Welcome to Psychology and Physical Training Channel. Unlocking the power of 3 passionate kisses a day. What if I told you that just 3 passionate kisses a day could change your life? Sounds simple, right? But the impact is deeper than you think. Stick around, because today we're diving into the science and psychology of love, intimacy, and connection. We'll explore how something as simple as a kiss can strengthen your relationships, boost your mood, and even improve your health. Alright, let's get scientific for a moment. Kissing isn't just about romance. It's a biological process that strengthens emotional bonds. When you kiss someone, it's not just your lips that are involved. Your entire body and mind are engaged in a complex dance of chemistry and emotion. Think about it. We're wired for connection. Human beings are social creatures, and physical touch is one of the most fundamental ways we communicate and bond with each other. From the moment we're born, physical touch is crucial for our development and well-being. Babies who are held and kissed frequently tend to grow up feeling more secure and loved. When you kiss passionately, your brain releases a surge of oxytocin, often called the love hormone. This hormone is responsible for feelings of attachment and trust. And trust me, this isn't just some cheesy nickname. Oxytocin is powerful stuff. It has a profound impact on our emotional state and can even influence our behavior. It plays a vital role in building trust, fostering a sense of connection, and even reducing stress levels. Imagine it as nature's way of helping us form lasting bonds. It's like a chemical bond that draws you closer to your partner. This bond is not just emotional but also physiological, creating a sense of unity and togetherness. But the chemical cascade doesn't stop there. Your brain is a complex organ, and kissing activates multiple areas responsible for pleasure and reward. Dopamine, the neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, also floods your system. This is the same chemical that makes you feel good when you eat your favorite food or achieve a goal. This is what gives you that rush of happiness and excitement when you lock lips with someone you're attracted to. It's a natural high that makes you want to keep coming back for more. It's your brain's way of saying, "This feels amazing, do more of this." And who can argue with that kind of logic? And here's the fascinating part. These hormonal changes aren't just fleeting. They can have long-lasting effects on your emotional and physical health. Regular kissing can actually lead to long-term increases in oxytocin levels, meaning those feelings of love, connection, and well-being become more ingrained in your daily life. It's like a positive feedback loop that keeps on giving. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what about those awkward first kisses? They can be a bit nerve-wracking, right? They don't always scream love hormone. And you're right. First kisses can be awkward, clumsy, and filled with nervous energy. First kisses can be a mixed bag of nerves and excitement. But that's part of what makes them so memorable and important. But they're still incredibly important. They serve as a gateway to deeper emotional and physical intimacy. See, a first kiss is often our initial foray into exploring physical compatibility with a potential partner. It's a crucial step in determining if there's a deeper connection. It's a way of assessing attraction on a deeper, more primal level. Our brains are constantly evaluating whether this person could be a suitable mate. Our brains are hardwired to pick up on subtle cues during a kiss, like scent, taste, and even the way someone breathes, all of which contribute to our overall assessment of a potential mate. These sensory inputs help us decide if we want to pursue a relationship further. So, even if that first kiss is a little clumsy, it's laying the groundwork for a potential relationship. It's a learning experience that helps us grow closer. It's a stepping stone to deeper intimacy and connection. Each kiss builds on the last, creating a tapestry of shared moments and emotions. Ever notice how couples who kiss often seem more in sync, more connected? It's like they share a secret language that only they understand. It's not just a coincidence. There's a science behind it. Regular intimate moments like sharing a passionate kiss foster emotional security and strengthen the bond between partners. These moments create a sense of belonging and trust. Think of it like this. Every time you kiss, you're essentially saying, "I choose you. I love you. I'm here with you," without uttering a single word. It's a silent affirmation of your commitment. It's a powerful form of nonverbal communication that speaks volumes about your feelings and commitment. This silent dialogue can often convey more than words ever could. Studies have shown that couples who kiss frequently report higher levels of relationship satisfaction. They feel more connected and valued. They tend to communicate better, resolve conflicts more effectively, and generally feel more understood and supported by their partners. This leads to a more harmonious relationship, and the benefits extend beyond relationship dynamics. The act of kissing can also have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Regular kissing has been linked to improved mental health outcomes, including reduced anxiety and increased feelings of happiness and well-being. It's like a natural antidepressant. It's like a natural mood booster that strengthens your emotional resilience. When you kiss, your brain releases feel-good hormones like oxytocin and dopamine. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Life gets busy, and sometimes kissing just slips our minds. And that's completely understandable. We all have hectic schedules. We're all juggling a million things these days. Work, family, and other responsibilities can take up so much of our time. But that's precisely why it's so important to make kissing a conscious habit. It's a small act that can have a big impact. Just like you schedule time for exercise or work meetings, schedule time for intimacy with your partner. Make it a priority. It doesn't have to be elaborate or time-consuming. Even a quick kiss can convey deep affection. Even a few stolen kisses throughout the day can make a world of difference. These small gestures add up. A quick kiss before work, a loving gesture that sets a positive tone for the day, a passionate embrace when you reunite at the end of the day, a moment to reconnect after being apart, a lingering goodnight kiss. These small moments of connection can have a profound impact on your relationship. They help maintain intimacy and closeness. And here's a little secret. The more you prioritize kissing, the more natural it will become. It will start to feel like second nature. It'll become an ingrained part of your daily routine, a spontaneous expression of love and affection that strengthens your bond day by day. This habit can transform your relationship. Remember, relationships thrive on consistent nurturing. They need regular care and attention. And what better way to nurture your love than through the simple yet powerful act of kissing? It's a beautiful way to show your partner that you care. So far, we've explored the emotional and relational benefits of kissing. But hold on, because it gets even better. Beyond the emotional realm, kissing offers a surprising array of physical health perks. Let's start with the cardiovascular system. When you engage in a passionate kiss, your heart rate increases. This might seem counterintuitive, but a little rise in heart rate is actually good for you. It helps improve blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body more efficiently. And speaking of circulation, did you know that kissing can even help lower your blood pressure? That's right. The surge of hormones released during a kiss, particularly oxytocin, has a relaxing effect on blood vessels, which can lead to a slight decrease in blood pressure. But wait, there's more. Kissing has also been linked to a strengthened immune system. When you kiss, you're exposed to small amounts of your partner's saliva, which contains traces of their unique bacteria. Now, before you get grossed out, hear me out. This exposure to different bacteria can actually stimulate your immune system, making it more adept at fighting off infections. It's like a mini workout for your immune cells, helping them stay alert and ready to defend your body. And let's not forget the calorie-burning potential of a passionate makeout session. Okay, maybe it's not going to replace your gym routine, but studies suggest that passionate kissing can burn anywhere from 2 to 26 calories per minute. Not a bad way to torch a few extra calories while enjoying some quality time with your partner. But beyond the physical benefits, there's something deeply primal and instinctual about the act of kissing. It's a way of connecting with another human being on a deeply intimate level, a way of expressing love, desire, and affection in a way that words simply cannot capture. So, the next time you lean in for a kiss, remember that you're not just sharing a moment of tenderness. You're engaging in a powerful act that benefits your mind, body, and soul. Kissing is truly a remarkable activity that brings joy and health benefits, making it an essential part of human connection and well-being. Love is in the little things, and sometimes something as simple as a kiss can transform a relationship. So make time for intimacy, prioritize those small moments of connection, and never underestimate the power of a passionate kiss. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. See you in the next video.